In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Orders from the left-hand menu. If you're creating a new order manually, go to Draft Orders and select Create Order. Add the products and customer details, then review the order information. Once your order is ready, click Send Invoice. Shopify will generate an invoice email that you can customize before sending to your customer. Review the message, make any necessary changes, and click Send Notification. If you're working with an existing draft order, simply open the order and click Send Invoice to email the payment link directly to the customer. After the customer completes payment, the order will be updated automatically in your Shopify dashboard. You can then fulfill the order and manage shipping as usual. That's it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice on Shopify. Thanks for watching.